Welcome back guys. Let's see how to install Windows 11. First of all, Windows 11 it is not an official build, so you have to download it from a leaked. This is a leaked one, so you have to note down. You can get the download links here. Do not install this on your main device, main desktop. Install it in our secondary or any other spare device, or you can also simply install it in VirtualBox. So let's start. Open VirtualBox and click on New. Give a name. Here select for Windows 10. The recommended is 8 GB minimum. I'm going for 16 GB. Here, create a virtual hard disk. Now minimum requirement is 50 GB. If you want to use it daily, you can add more. I'm going to use 100 GB. Then create. Okay, your Windows 11 is created. Now we have to change some settings. Till now we didn't have an ISO. You don't have Windows 11 file. Okay, go to settings. First of all, go to this site. The link I will put it in description. From these links you can download Windows 11. Okay, download and then come here. Go to storage. Windows. Remove this Windows 11. Okay, add new controller. This one you can add through your downloads. Go to downloads and then add this one. You have already added it and click choose. Here this is you are giving storage. This is a virtual hard disk. Okay, now you have to add a disk to it. Hard disk or optical drive. Here we have created previously 100 GB, and now click OK. And you might also want to increase display settings and video memory, to put it on full and scale to 200%. Put it in VBox VGA. If you want to record, you have to enable recording. You have to turn on this option. I don't need it. Yeah, you have to increase your processors also. If you are not running any other apps, you can go up to how many you have processors. You can go up to then. Have some processors running, so I'm going safe side. Okay, now all set. Click OK. Click on start. Okay, click next and install now. You don't have activation key, and here the recommended one is Windows 11 Pro for all the features. Click next, accept. Here you have to choose the custom installation, and now this disk is the one we have created earlier, and you cannot install it on any optical disk. I mean, you cannot install it on external disk. You have to create one disk internally and then click on it and click next. This will take a while. Okay, the installation is completed. Oh, that's a nice intro. Okay, click on United States. You can select your preferred keyboard. I'm selecting English India. Yep. Select your preferred choice. I'm selecting personal use. Next. If you go with the offline mode, you don't get all the features, so you have to sign in, create a PIN. You may turn off some features like advertising ID, tailored experience. I don't need all those diagnostic data at %. You can just turn on Find My Device, and location. If you want, you may. These other features, they send our data. Advertising, they send our data to get relevant advertisements. So just turn it off for your privacy. Accept. Gaming, I do gaming, creativity. Okay, giving me all, I need everything. Can accept. Okay, don't go to OneDrive, go for offline mode here. While signing in, just make sure it is not your personal Windows account. Okay, this will take a while. This is a lot more like Mac. This is a bit new. There are only little tweaks. There is no major change. Here's the settings. There is everything. There is a dark theme picture for everything. You can clearly see here it is Windows 11 Pro. Official version will be 22,000.1 build. They are just alpha versions, or they might be beta versions. So the original one will have no bugs. Major bugs will be fixed. This is the Windows 11. Thank you.